Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Hornbill model and that the battery is at least half charged so pairing won't fail mid-process. Open the Hornbill app and enable Bluetooth and location on your phone because the lock uses both to discover and secure the device. Tap Add Device in the app. You'll see the lock appear within 20 seconds. When prompted, press the lock's pairing button. This puts it in discovery mode. Once found, select it and follow on-screen prompts to name the lock and set an admin code. With the lock paired, you configure access and safety features next. First, create an admin PIN and record backup codes. These are your recovery path if the phone is unavailable. Then enroll fingerprints if your model supports biometric entry. This saves time and increases convenience. Set guest access with start/end schedules so temporary codes expire automatically. Adjust auto-lock delay to balance convenience and security. Finally, integrate a Wi-Fi bridge or link to your smart assistant if you want remote unlock and status alerts. Make sure to test remote commands immediately. You finish by verifying physical and digital operation. Lock and unlock several times using the app keypad and any keys. Check the bolt smoothly engages and the door alignment is correct because misalignment causes failures. If remote features fail, confirm bridge Wi-Fi and router too. 4 GHz settings. Once done, restart the bridge and phone. If Bluetooth never discovers the lock, reset the lock to factory and repair. Finally, replace low batteries or contact Hornbill support for persistent hardware faults. This avoids unnecessary reinstall attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.